Welcome back to another video on Ntronic Automotive. Today's video is going to be a little different because Tharush isn't able to make it for today's video, so it's going to be just me. And I thought I'll make a video on restoring a pair of old rusty wipers. We highly recommend doing stuff like this yourself if you have the tools and equipment to do so, because in most cases you would be saving a bunch of money, and besides that you would learn something new while having fun in the process. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into the video. That was my first time spray painting something using an air compressor and a spray gun, and I guess it looks fine for a first time job. As I mentioned earlier, we learn new things while doing stuff like this, and one of the things that I learned was not to use the amount of paint that I did to paint something really small. I ended up having to go around the house looking for stuff to paint in order to finish the paint that I had prepared. Anyway, we hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one. This is Ntronic Automotive signing out.
And remember, we are here to fuel their passion for cars.